Me, it's an animal, but it's like a snake with a glisten to it. Isn't that cute?
Really has like a nubuck kind of feel to it. So it almost feels suede, although it has that little touch of shimmer.
Oh, I love it. Okay, kitten heels for the win. I mean, I really was never happy in the 4-inch and the 5 inches, but the kitten heel, I find it to be more fashion forward and more comfortable.
You really can be versatile with how you're going to style it, but in a kind of cool way that you can just style this however you want.
Well, and think about it, holidays are coming, and do you need an outfit for a brunch? Something for everybody.
Right, there really are. So these two are the textured kind of textile. So you can see the animal,
but it's your animal print. I have to tell you about a cute outfit. We have this little showroom when you walk into QVC, and the building, and one is devoted to our fashion.
You put a heel on, you just stand a little bit different, and you just feel a little bit differently about yourself.
And with women our height, so stylish about a kitten heel height.
It's 2 inches, so you know that you can wear it. If you're somebody that says, I can't wear those heels anymore, this is a heel you can wear.
Yes.
And it does make you feel feminine when you put a heel on. You just stand a little bit different, and you just feel a little bit differently about yourself.
And with women our height, 5'2"-ish, sometimes I need that heel because then it lifts my dress off the ground.
Or
helps
my pants.
Not drag on the ground.
Exactly. It's just a little bit of a lift, that perfect 2-inch heel, easy rounded toe so that your toes are happy as well. So it's an easy shoe for your foot to wear and easy to style.
And instead of $90, they're $73, but only for the next few days. There's also free shipping, and if you prefer, you can put them on a payment plan. The payment is $24. I say we go over these options one more time.
Sure.
So this is your natural gold.
Joining us, and she has been a fashion expert at QVC since she was literally like 20 years old. Unbelievable. Has been our expert with Vince Camuto. What an amazing design company that keeps his legacy of Italian fashion and just elegance alive. This is maybe my favorite sandal that you've ever brought us, and definitely the best of the summer. Get away for maybe my favorite shoe you've ever done for comfort and style.
The style is there, all that Vince Camuto quality, the beautiful leathers and suedes, but
with all, okay, oh my gosh, I just looked at Scotty in her Cuddle Does maxi dress that we're gonna make you colors. I actually brought this in from home today. Has little silver grommets. I have my Valencia key earrings in silver. And then I put the silver sandal on, and suddenly I'm going to a nice restaurant. I'm going to worship. I'm walking into work. I feel good walking into, again, the principal's office. Dr. Nick said he got called to the principal's office when he was little.
I might have as well.
Yeah, me too.
You know, if you're a chat, I had a report card that said talking hinders progress, and I'm like, well, how's that doing for me now? I think it's doing just fine.
My 8th grade teacher told my mother I would never amount to anything because I never stopped talking.
Wow.
Did I find a job or what?
Right? Oh, I love it.
But anyway, Bethany, like when I was prepping for this show, do you want to do shoe cam?
Sure.
All right, Bethany's going to do shoe cam next, and then I'm going after her. Oh my gosh, look at that Egyptian gold. And talk to us, Bethany, about the shape of this sandal.
I love that kind of squared off toe, but it's not sharply square, so plenty of wiggle room for your toes, but you've got that crisscrossing strap. It's a nice wide strap. It's not too narrow, so it really gives you that support. Then the strap coming a little bit further, and then you've got that strap around the back, so it really holds you in. It's technically a flat, but just gives you a little bit of a lift so that you're not completely flat on the ground.
And Scotty and I were just talking about the comfort. We were just talking about the cushioning, the flexibility, the lightweight. It's so funny. I mean, I just think about when I visit my daughter, a shoe with like even a 2 or 2.5 inch heel, and I'll think, what was I thinking? I'm not gonna be able to wear that all day in New York. I'm not gonna be able to wear that all day walking far to get to, you know, maybe the restaurant at Springs. So let's take us through the colors because they're fabulous. Area shout out.
I will.
This is all suede.
But giving you the comfort because it's just a low heel and all that padding on the insole.
Can you tell I was just mentally shopping? I'm like, should
Which one am I getting? You're going back and forth.
I've been waiting for this. I think I gotta get the Egyptian gold and the silver. I mean, and then I'm done.
Right, yeah, and then you're covered. Do it with dresses or shorts or even like a linen pant.
Open up so we can look at Bethany.
Ta-da!
Look, you see? This is what I mean. I would be like, okay, if you want to look cute, like to go to a party, I would say you have to put on a wedge or a heel. You don't with something like that. So good. Thank you, Bethany.
Great to see you.
I love your hair.
Well, thank you. Thanks.
Look at that. So good.
I don't want to walk away.
024. No, don't leave.
Fill up Jennifer, then fill up her sperm bank daughter, Gabby.